Hello to third semester KLSGCC students. Welcome to the PED class 8. So in our today's session we will discuss about the psychological factors, psychological problems of entrepreneurs. Psychology is concerned with human mind. Now let us analyze how Indian psychology is affecting the growth of entrepreneurs. The problems are like this: absence of entrepreneurial aptitude, lack of motivation, and attitude of parents. Here, entrepreneurial aptitude means it includes innovation, creativity, risk taking, promotion, management, etc. Entrepreneurial qualities are remaining unnoticed and untapped. Neither the society nor the government or nor the educational institutions are taking care of such potential entrepreneurs. The next one is lack of motivation. It's a process of encouraging the people to do or not to do something. Entrepreneurs are actually involved in construction of a nation. Hence, they should be motivated to work hard and achieve greater things in their business. In India, ambitious people are less. However, entrepreneurship requires such people who feel the need for achievement. Therefore, the lack of encouragement and the motivation, the quantity and the quality of entrepreneurs is not increasing rapidly. The next one is attitudes of parents. Majority of Indians think that there is a lot of uncertainty and risk in business. Therefore, they want their sons and daughters to become doctors, engineers, etc. There is a mad rush towards both these professions, which are taking the cream of society. As a result of this mad rush and defective attitudes of parents, business sector is the business sector is many people are entering into the business, not entering into the business sectors. The next one, last one is government factors. We cannot ignore relationship between the government and the entrepreneurs. All governments are interested in promoting entrepreneurship in their own countries. Some governments show keen interest while other governments are moderately interested in increasing the entrepreneurship activities. The following are the government factors responsible for the slow growth of the entrepreneurship in India. What are those? Let us see. Competition by government with private firms, and the next one is attitude of the government. India had been wedded with socialistic pattern of society with the hope to establish such society. She had nationalized number of industries. However, our past experience showed that higher the degree of competition by the government, lesser the entrepreneurs, and the lesser the government competition, larger the number of entrepreneurs. For example, if government nationalizes the road transport, then large number of road transport operators have to disappear. However, now things are changing rapidly, particularly after 1991, that is after LPG. It means liberalization, privatization and globalization going to give a big boost to the entrepreneurs. And the next one is attitude of the government. If the government attitude is not entrepreneurs friendly and there is no consistency in providing subsidies, concessions, assistance and infrastructure facilities. Moreover, the officers lack the spirit of industrialization and they care more for rules and regulations. In fact, the government is not influencing the entrepreneur positively. Hence, there is an utter need for entrepreneurship motivation by offering subsidies, financial assistance, tax concessions, research and development, infrastructure facilities, collections, and similarly the poor quality education and training are also responsible for poor growth of entrepreneurship in India. So with this we will conclude the today's session. Thank you.